1.0 introduced the MGSS. The Instrumentable Multiple Integrated Laser Engagement System, IMILES, simulates the effects of direct fire weapons and its effects on vehicles and soldiers during a force-on-force training exercise. IMILES supports realistic training without the expense and environmental impact of firing live ammunition. This job performance aid will demonstrate the preparation, installation, operation, and removal procedures of the Main Gun Signature Simulator, MGSS. This terminal learning objective will contain the following enabling learning objectives. Define the purpose of the MGSS. Identify the MGSS characteristics. Identify the MGSS capabilities. And identify the MGSS theory of operation. Define the purpose of the MGSS. The MGSS is used in the M1A1, M1A2 Abrams, and Stryker MGS in order to simulate the firing of the main gun during force-on-force training exercises. The firing unit, FU, can hold up to 60 pyrotechnic cartridges, simulating the flash, smoke, and bang created when the main gun is fired. The MGSS is a system installed as an option with IMILES. With the IMILES, the laser transmitter is fired to simulate the main gun of the M1A1, M1A2 Abrams, and the Stryker MGS vehicles. Identify the MGSS characteristics. The MGSS consists of the following: a firing unit, FU, which contains up to 60 pyrotechnic cartridges. The MGSS FU is mounted externally and is located on the left forward side of the turret of the M1A1, M1A2, and above the main gun on the Stryker MGS. A fire control unit, FCU, which provides the display for remaining activations and rounds fired. The FCU is normally mounted inside a vehicle. Its location depends upon the type of vehicle on which it is installed, normally at or near the vehicle commander. An M30 pyrotechnic cartridge, which is loaded into the FU. The M30 cartridge is to be used with the MGSS firing device. The M30 cartridge and the MGSS firing device are used to simulate the firing of the main gun on a tank or tank-like vehicles equipped with a main gun. Mounting adapter, interconnect cables, a DC power cable, and a power adapter cable. Identify the MGSS capabilities. The MGSS capabilities and features include the following. The MGSS is easily installed. It provides realistic firing capabilities of the main gun by simulating the flash, bang, and smoke by means of electrically initiated pyrotechnics. It has 60 available rounds of ammunition which are automatically detected and feature a display of available rounds. The MGSS has built-in test bit capability with fail-safe shutoff. It features forced safety interlock during the loading and unloading sequences. Identify the MGSS theory of operation. The MGSS is used in the M1A1, M1A2, M109, M60, T72, and T80 in order to simulate the firing of the main gun during force-on-force training exercises. The firing unit, FU, simulates the flash, smoke, and bang created when the main gun is fired. This provides a realistic enactment of the actual main gun firing effects. The MGSS is a system installed as an option with MILES 2000.